So, hello. So here we've got a concavity here in the lumbar spine on the right-hand side, so we'll pass a vibration through on the left. Then we have some rotation up in the upper thorax as well, so we're going to pass a vibration through there to de-rotate that, because that can cause heart palpitations and all kinds of blood pressure issues and things like that. So, we come over to our lovely patient here. Elevate the pelvis, take the pressure off the low back. Come up here and see what we can feel. She's got some tension there at C1 on the left. She has that rotation. Alright. Have you turn your head to the right, miss. So that preloads the spinous process back to the left, so I'm going to pass a vibration through the right side and pull this back to the left. Down here, I'm going to pass the vibration through the concavity of the curve in the lumbar spine. When you palpate the opposite side, you feel for the change in muscle tone. That indicates when it's time to stop. The vibration, very nice. And here, eye contact on the left side, brace on the right. Push to de-rotate that. Go straight down for me. Here we flex the legs down. She just got in town, by the way, so this is not fair, really, but a little jet lag, but that's okay. So we're just tractioning out each individual disc. And we go down this side. You don't have to move a lot just to see how the discs are moving. And then we laterally flex into the convexity of the curve. That creates a negative pressure on the opposite side. Just waiting to feel for it to open up and react the way it's supposed to, because the muscles should relax as you're easing up the pressure on those nerves. Very good. Now we're going to do a leg length check. The right leg is about 1/4 inch shorter than her left, so I come up here to the top bone. The cervical challenge, I put pressure on the posterior aspect of C1 on the left. And that corrects the issue. That's because we have mechanoreceptors that run down either side of the spine, and if there's pressure on the nerves up here, these don't fire correctly, so that alters the pelvis. And that is how we fix that. We're going to have to go this side up. All the facial oils are released. Now we've elevated the headpiece. We're going to contact the posterior aspect of C1. Stop just like that. We're going to do one more. Good. And go all the way over on this side. Here, lumbar spine, straighten drop. Good. Go right on your back. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, that thing around the pillow.
That's right, it's not raised yet.
Yeah, well, you just got here. All right, now here we have her cervical spine. So we need to get that corrected by about another 11 degrees. Get the head back over the shoulder. I'm sure she's doing her neck curve exercises because she's amazing.
It's half true.
Half true, okay. And you're doing 75 of them a day. So here I'm going along the sutures of the skull to make sure they're lined up correctly, because she is also an author, so she needs to be thinking clearly. You can find a link to her author page in Amazon, I bet, somewhere underneath this video. So here in the neck, just contacting here to C2. Not a lot of rotation. Just like that. Wait for the muscles to relax. You can do the reciprocal inhibition with the tapping on the opposite side. That helps the muscles to relax. And now we go back and double check this. because she has that rotation on the right side, we're going to have her take her right arm like this. This is going to get the upper four ribs and the shoulder joint. Very nice. Then we're going to check the shins. We move the foot up and down. So you got the tibia supports the body weight, fibula is just for muscle attachment. And so here it's not moving as much down lower here as it should. So I'm going to pass a vibration through there at 10 cycles a second. That's going to help relax this ligament. That'll give you better range of motion in the ankle and help the knee and the hip. Good. Just brush your arms for me. Then you have to look at the full spine again and see which sides we go right, left, left.
He's a golfer.
Try not to hurt yourself. And there we go.